To build discipline, folks, you're going to have to grit your teeth and stick to the process. So the first step would be to sit down with one of these guys, sit down with Fussy, put together your trading plan, a simple mechanical plan. The more mechanical, the better. And then my challenge to you folks is to follow that plan without deviation for a batch of somewhere between 20 and 30 trades. That's going to take quite a bit of doing. It is a rite of passage. Now, I'm not a psychologist, and I've had psychologists in my classes and they still don't know why this happens. But to build a habit, okay, any habit, you've got to grit your teeth and do it. And then all of a sudden, you actually build this neural pathway between your ears by doing it. You're going to find that sticking to the rules for the first few trades is difficult. Somewhere between 5 and 13 trades, you build the pathway. And you'll find that the discipline to stick to the rules is no longer required. Because that's what you do. So my challenge to you all is, out of this, get busy, make a nuisance of yourself, get yourself to a point where you've got a written plan that suits you. It should not be more than 1 page. Think about position sizing. I personally build a habit very easily, and many of you will say that's great, but it also means that you can build a bad habit very easily. So the one thing that I can say which is positive, that everybody in this room is 8 to 13 trades away from the trader you want to be. That's all. But very few people get there because they don't adhere to the one system until that neural pathway is built. So that's the process if you want to be successful, folks. Sit down, put together a fairly simple system, adhere to 1 to 2% position sizing, and then the real work starts of being able to follow that system through thick and thin. And you're only about 8 to 13 trades away from being able to do that. That's all.